Hey guys, welcome to Yuki Guide. In this video, I'm gonna teach you this beautiful song from Ed Sheeran, Sapphire. And let me guess, you guys must be really excited to play this song, isn't it? So in this video, I'll keep everything very simple. And if you're a beginner, then yes, you will get, the most easiest explanation possible. And yes, if you have some experience, you are playing ukulele already, you know how to play strung chords, everything, then yes, I also have an advanced test for you. So if you guys are new to Yuki Guide, then please like this video, subscribe to my channel. If you guys are already here with me, then thanks for your support. For a while, I've been quiet. I was not making these videos, but now I'm starting afresh. I'll ensure that I'll get lessons, new songs, new music stuff, whatever is possible, we'll get it covered here in Yuki Guide. Okay, so a lot of talks. Now let's come right into the video and I'll teach you everything in detail. Alright guys, so I've come close to the camera so I can explain you well. And we'll start with chords, and you only need 3 chords to play this song, okay? And these are easy chords. So the first chord is chord G. Okay, that's how you play chord G. Then you need chord D. That's how you play chord D. If you already know how to play it, you can also use bar like I do. And then you need chord C. That's it. You just need these 3 chords. Alright guys, so now let's talk about strum pattern. And here we will talk about 2 methods, 2 techniques. The first one is especially for beginners and the other one is for intermediate and advanced players. Okay, so whatever suits you, you can accordingly choose and use it to play this song. So the first pattern is down, up, down, up, down. Let me explain you again. It's down, up, down, up, down. That's it. You just need this pattern. Okay. We need it right. We need to play down and up strokes correctly. Then only your chords will look good when you play it. So now we practice it on one chord and then I will explain you how you will use this pattern in the song. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. In the same way, you practice it on other chords, chord D, chord C. Alright, so that was method 1. Now we'll talk about method 2, which is a little difficult to master, but yes, you can also practice it if you want. And it goes like down, up chuck, down, up chuck, down, up chuck. Okay, there are multiple chuck strokes here. So down, up chuck, 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 down, up chuck. Alright, so now we'll talk about different sections of this song, and this is where it gets little tricky because you are not using the entire pattern everywhere. You need to break it into 2 parts and that's how you will use it in the song. Okay, I will explain you everything. So we'll start with part 1. Okay, so it goes like this. You're glowing, you color and fracture the light. Okay, that's line 1. So what you are doing here, you're going from chord G to D, then chord C, and then again chord G. Okay, so we'll play it again. You're glowing, you color and fracture the light. You can't help but shine. And the same thing repeats in line 3 and line 4. And I know that you carry the world on your back. Look at you tonight. Now we'll come to pre-chorus. So this is the part where you will break the pattern into 2 parts. So let's talk about line 1 and you'll use this pattern, okay? Down, up, down, up, down. So I'll explain you that. Start like this. The lights, the face, your eyes, exploding like fireworks in the sky. So what we actually did here, we played down up on chord G. So it goes like down up, and then on chord D we played down up down. So the main pattern down up down up down is broken into two parts. So again, your light, your face, your eyes, and then exploding like fireworks in the sky. On C you'll play full pattern. Otherwise you just use downstrokes like this. The lights, your face, your eyes, exploding like fireworks in the sky. Now let's try it with the method 2. The lights, your face, your eyes, exploding like fireworks in the sky. Sapphire. I hope that made sense. Now we'll go to chorus part. First with method 1. Touching on your body while you're pushing on me. Don't you end the party, I could do it all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Chum 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 ke sitare vargi. So what exactly we are doing here? Again the same logic. On one chord, down up, the other one, down up down. So touching on your body while you're pushing on me. Don't you end the party, I could do it all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Chum 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 ke sitare vargi. Straight and simple, right? Now with method 2, how you'll play? Touching on your body while you're pushing on me. Don't you end the party, I could do it all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Chum 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 ke sitare vargi. Now as a special bonus, I'm gonna give you this Arijit Singh version as well, because I'm sure many of you only wanted to play that part, okay? So I will carefully find out the right lyrics so I don't get trolled. The logic will be same, okay? Like we play touching on your body while you're pushing on me, we will use the same logic here, okay? पलगा उठावे ते हनेरे घट दे उंगला उठा के दे धनक फेर दी कि वरब ने दो नैना उतनी लम जड़े चम 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 के सितारे वर्गी touching on your body while you're pushing on me. Don't you end the party, I will do it all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, gunning on me. Chum 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 ke sitare vargi. Sapphire. Alright guys, so that was it. I hope you liked this video. Do let me know in the comments how you find this one, if it really helps you. So do take care of your health, do take care of your elders, and we'll see you again in future. Take care and bye-bye.